Hello, my friends. Well, this is exciting. Arteza has come up with a kit that's got everything one needs to start pouring. It's got ready-mix pouring paints and lots of goodies inside. I'm going to open it in a second. I have tried the paints and I like them. Here's a video I did a couple back, and you can see it's dried now and the lines hold well and the colors are nice and vivid. So I like the paints very much. So let's see what's inside here. I think this would make a great kit for people who are brand new to pouring, that don't want to hassle with the mixing and measuring at first, just to see if they want to continue with it. Be a great gift for kids or grandkids. Have fun with them. So let's see. You get a little how-to booklet. 14 colors. That's a nice assortment of colors. A couple of little containers of glitter that you can add to your wet painting. Some wood rounds. Guess they could make ornaments, perhaps. Palette knife, drop cloth, four gloves, 2 pair of gloves, elegant black, 2 measuring cups. They're very sturdy, so they could be used repeatedly. And they have the measuring on there in ounces and milliliters. So that's good. And that's not all. You get this sturdy stand that fits together. It holds your canvas off the surface. That can be used over and over again. I'm definitely going to use that. And then they send a couple of canvas boards, and one in black and one in white. Now, generally I stay away from canvas boards when doing fluid art because the cardboard component to them just can't handle all the liquid. But these seem very, very sturdy, so I'm going to give it a go on today's project. Now, one of my viewers asked me to try doing a landscape with pour paints, and so I thought I'd do that with this kit from Arteza. So let me get set up and I shall return. We'll give it a try. Okay, I have returned. I decided not to do a landscape on this because I'd rather do a landscape on a rectangular shaped canvas, and these bottles are only 2 ounces, and I don't want to waste them on an experiment because I've never done a poured landscape before. So I'd rather experiment with paints I have greater amounts of. So I thought I'd just do 2 little cups, a warm and a cool, and pour them on in a fun way. So let's give that a try. I did tape the back of the canvas with painter's tape in an effort to keep it from warping. We'll see if that helps. Okay, I'm just going to layer warm and cool colors. Probably 3 or 4 ounces in total in each cup. I think the neon is so fun. I'm going to put the neon orange and neon pink and call that good. And now some cool colors. Oh, I forgot to, it does say separation is normal. Shake well before use. I forgot with those. I hope that. I shaken them earlier, so hopefully that was sufficient. Neon blue, that's very pretty. One of my favorite colors, phthalo blue. I think this is a fairly new product, so maybe if it's popular enough, they'll come out with larger containers, because 2 ounces isn't that much paint. You could probably get at least 4 paintings done with this kit, though. So it's a good starter, as it says, starter kit, to try it out and see if you like it. See if you like it pouring, and try out the Arteza products. Okay. How to do this? What shall I do? Shall I pour at the same time? I think I'll do kind of a figure 8 thing, one at a time. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I like this little stand thing. Maybe we should bring some of this over. A little bit over there. Of course, I'm running out. Have any of this? Have a little bit of this. I might as well return the favor. Put it over here. Fun. I like it right now. Hope I like it as much when I move it. Here we go. I like this blue side better, but I'm just partial to those colors. So by going to that corner first, I can bring it back and hopefully preserve a lot of that blue. Towards you. That a funny shape there. Well, I can't say much for my composition here. Colors are pretty. No, I don't especially like it. But that's on me. That wasn't a very good way to pour it. I'm going to add some more. I'm going to add some of the blue to the warm side and the warm to the cool side in skinny lines. I don't know. Here we go. I'll just go all over it like this. Oops. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to touch the surface there. I don't like that. This is pretty over here. I'm kind of liking it now, suddenly. Rather than pour out more paint, I'm going to scoop some up from the surface because I want to add a few more lines. It's very awkward. I'm going to do the same with the blue. I like my lines. You know that. You know I like lines if you've been watching me any length of time. It's pretty wild. I don't like when that happens, and that's when you don't have enough in the cup and you keep going like I did. Now I'm just getting mud, so I think I better stop. Well, it's a good test of these paints. I mean, you can see they're really great, vibrant, vivid colors. And I expect they will dry pretty much like this. And keep nice crisp lines. It's fun. I rather like it. It's a very happy painting. So there you go, folks. Arteza's Pouring Starter Kit. You may want to give it a try, and you can save 10% by using a coupon code ChrisJessic3. The details are down below in the description box. Okay, my friends. Oh, would you like to look a little closer? Let me bring you in. Look at that craziness. I love the mix of neon with the other colors. The pops of neon just really bring a piece to life. Well, there you go. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Bye now.